In fact, whilst you film, I'll just talk you through what I'm doing. So you've got the at the same time, you've got the two bases. So this one is the negative case. So we're going to build. See that diagram? Yeah. We're going to build stuff and then put the lithium chip in, and then at the end we'll have the positive case. What these are the springs. They just basically help keep the battery shut, help seal it. So I'll just get a couple of them out. Okay, this is the separator. What this does is separate the anode and the cathode. Oops. Shit. Just lost one. You have to be quite careful here with the lithium.